feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Yes, a vacuum leak can indeed cause an engine to misfire. This happens because a vacuum leak disrupts the air-fuel ratio required for optimal combustion within the engine's cylinders. A lean mixture, too much air and not enough fuel, leads to misfiring as the engine struggles to maintain a smooth operation. Identifying and fixing vacuum leaks is crucial for restoring engine performance and preventing potential damage. Regular maintenance checks and listening for hissing sounds under the hood can help detect such leaks early.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.